Hey, keep your hands in your pocket. Put them on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again.
Hey, I see the gun.
You got a gun, don't reach for it, you can get shot.
I was just trying to get on my knees.
Gun. He's got the gun in his pocket.
He's got the gun set. Do not reach.
On the night of August 8th, 2021, Long Beach police joined the pursuit of Leonides Enriquez, who was armed with a Glock after robbing a Signal Hill food store at gunpoint. The chase ended when Enriquez crashed and abandoned his Honda. As officers arrived at the wreck, witnesses pointed them down the street, where they found the suspect standing near a taco stand.
Get over here. I'm talking to you. Walk this way. Walk this way. Keep your hands out of your pocket. Put your hands on the hood. Put your hands on the hood.
What happened, sir?
Keep your hands up. Hey, Eric. Keep your hands on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Hey. Hey, 417, left pocket. Separate your feet. Hey, keep your hands in your pocket. Put them on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Keep your hands on the hood. Put your hands on the hood. I'm not going to tell you again. Keep your hands on the hood. 417 on the right pocket.
Hey, I see the gun.
You got a gun, don't reach for it, you can get shot. Okay,
Get on
your knee.
Run. I was just trying to get on my knees.
Hey, you're not hit, right?
On the hood, I'm not going to tell you again.
Hey, brother.
Keep your hands on the
We
hood.
have a robbery.
Right pocket.
Hey, I see the gun.
You got a gun, don't reach for it, you can get shot.
All right, get on the.
Your knee.
I was just trying to get on my knees.
You're not hit, right?
Hey, he's got the gun. He's got the gun in his pocket.
He's got the gun set. Do not reach.
All units, 998.
Come on, open the door. No, we're not gonna approach. Hey, my man,
Put your arms out to your sides.
Who's gonna be you? Gonna be verbal?
Okay, I'm gonna be verbal.
Okay, someone should
Hey,
you.
dude. Hey, we want to help you, okay? We want to help you, okay? Do me a favor. Get on your stomach. I need to see your hand.
No need for a perimeter.
Try.
On the ground.
Please, brother.
We're trying to get them to comply.
Brother. I'm trying to help you. Try your hardest to get that hand out. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Dude, I know that gun is on your right side, so we can't approach. We can't approach until your hand is out. Please, brother. Try your best to get that hand out of without the gun, okay? Lay on your stomach then. Lay on your stomach.
I feel you. I still got ice. Hey, put your arms out by your sides.
Doing more on that side?
Hey, put your arms out so we can help you.
It's in his right pocket. Hey. Okay, listen, we see his right hand, okay? Are we everybody? Somebody get gloves on? We're gonna go hands on. You got, okay, listen, you see his hand, okay.
We'll just go right for his hand.
Okay, go right for his right hand.
We're going to help you out, man. Don't reach for anything.
All right, go for his right hand. Go, do it. Grab his right hand. Right hand. Right hand.
Hey, you have gloves on? The 417 in his pocket.
Okay, can someone get a med kit? Hey, let's get a med kit.
Double locking. Grab that, secure that, easy. Pull that out.
that. Roll him over, start medical right now.
Drop the red. They're doing the 16th Street in Harvard and 17th in Harvard. Lock it down one block in each direction.
Alright, if you guys don't have anything to do, let's go over here so we can start organizing what we're gonna do, alright?
Long Beach Fire Department personnel responded to the scene and rendered further medical aid. Enriquez sustained 7 gunshot wounds and was transported to St. Mary's Medical Center. Enriquez was charged with 3 counts of assault with a firearm, 3 counts of robbery, 1 count of carjacking, 1 count of possession of a firearm by a felon, and 1 count of unlawful possession of ammunition. On November 30th, 2021, Enriquez agreed to a plea bargain in which he was convicted of carjacking and robbery and sentenced to 6 years in state prison.